Let's take a closer look at this ELUXE Sparkling Shampoo, and it says, "Let's Glow." This is a really unique shampoo. You have to shake it, okay? And then you'll see, you tip it upside down, and it is a foam. You massage it into your scalp, and it does start to suds. And I used it this morning, and it helps to remove all those impurities that have built up on your hair, on your scalp. And I have the tendency to have dry hair because I do color it, but look how smooth and silky it is. I am amazed at what this shampoo has been doing for my hair. There's no frizzies. It takes out all that oil and those impurities, and it leaves your hair silky smooth. It's unbelievable. And I purchased this shampoo because it was made with natural ingredients. It has no silicone, it has no parabens, it is cruelty free, and it is 100% vegan. Now, the ingredients that are in this shampoo is there's rosemary oil, there's keratin, there's green tea, and that is one of the reasons I tried this shampoo because of all the natural ingredients. And it said it can help any type of hair type, whether you have curly, dry, oily. So if you haven't tried this ELUXE sparkling shampoo, I highly recommend it because I guarantee you will not be disappointed.